How to finalize the home sheet in your Excel assessment system. Before moving on to the teacher's sheet, it's crucial to finalize and review your work on the home sheet. This ensures that everything is set up correctly and functions as expected. Let's go through the process step by step. If you want to customize or insert an image box, follow these steps. 1. Navigate to the Developer tab and click on Design Mode. This will enable you to edit any ActiveX Control objects, including image boxes. 2. If your sheet is protected, unprotect it first. You can do this by going to the Review tab and selecting Unprotect Sheet. 3. To insert a new image box, ensure Design Mode is activated, highlighted. Go to Insert, choose the image icon under the ActiveX controls, and draw the image box where you want it on your sheet. You can adjust its properties by right-clicking on the image box, selecting Properties, and customizing options like size, position, and behavior. 4. To add functionality to a button associated with the image box, double-click the button, e.g. Insert Command Button 5, to open the VBA editor. Copy the VBA code provided as shown in the video and paste it into the editor. Update the code to reflect any changes, such as renaming the image control from Image 5 to Image 6. Save the VBA project and close the editor. Go to the Developer tab and click on Design Mode to turn it off. Five, test the button by clicking it on the sheet to confirm that it performs as expected. Freezing the menu panel. Freezing panes ensures that specific rows and columns remain visible as you scroll. To do this, 1. Go to the View tab and select Freeze Panes. 2. From the drop-down, choose Freeze Panes again to lock both rows and columns at the desired position. 3. Test the functionality by scrolling horizontally and vertically. Confirm that the rows and columns you intended to freeze remain visible while you navigate the rest of the sheet. Step 3. Final review and save. After making these adjustments, it's time to finalize the home sheet. Double-check all controls, buttons, and features to ensure they are working correctly. Reprotect the sheet by going to the Review tab and selecting Protect Sheet. This prevents accidental changes to your setup. Save your work to ensure none of the changes are lost. Next steps. With the home sheet finalized, you're now ready to move on to setting up the teacher's sheet. Follow the steps outlined in the video to continue building your assessment system. If you're looking to create your own electronic assessment system, be sure to watch every video to the end. This will help you follow along and successfully build your system. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click the subscribe button now to stay updated and be the first to know when I upload new videos.